Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will try to explain and show you how to use pre-commit. So as you can see here, pre-commit is a framework for managing and maintaining multi-languages pre-commit hook. So let's just give an example. Assume that you are working in a group and you are, let's say, in this group 5 developers, and of course you will try to make a, let's see, style coding for each one and to just to follow these instructions, but sometimes it's hard to follow these instructions. So everyone has, let's say, every developer has its own or his own its own styles, or sometimes he forgot just to add this comment or instructions, follow these instructions. So in this case, it's there's also a pre-commit. This is the today lesson. It's a pre-commit that can, let's say, automatic check the quality of your code. So assume that you have a branch. Let's say you have a new branch, or maybe a bug fixing. Now after finishing your code, you will push it to the master branch. Now, before pushing to this, first, before pushing to your branch, this code has to be, the code has to be checked before this pushing or commit, and try to fixing some issues, let's see. And I will try to start from, I'll do it from scratch with you, but let me give me a short introduction about what is the pre-commit packages. And let's see here, pre-commit hooks. It's a collection of pre-commits such as fixing white space, detecting privacy keys, check for case conflicts, and validating YAML files. And let's see, this one here is upgrading Python code syntax to the modern language features. And let's see this here, uh, and composing Python code format that enforce consistent coding style across projects. So as I said, it will be really hard to control all these developers, but with this feature or with this tool, you can try to make it more easier. So yeah, because I'm using Butering, I have published some other videos how to install this Butering, how to use it, how to use it also in a pipeline, and many other videos. So you can have a look on this. But let's say I need to add this first. I need to add this pre-commit. So can I add it by this command, pre-commit, add pre-commit, and you can see it will be added here. Nice, finish. So it's added here. So now I need to run this pre-commit install. This command is try to install the code, the hook, the pre-commit in this hooks, as I have did in the previous example that I have to increase the project version automatically. So this will be added here, pre-commit. And we can see now, where is it? Just click install. Yeah, see now pre-commit is installed at git hook pre-commit. You can see it in this directory. Yeah, this one here. It's now this is we already installed the package. Let's see pre-commit, but now we need a file. We need this file, or let's see instructions. So for instance, I need this one here. Yeah, by the way, you can exclude some files, for instance, GUnit scripts and maybe pipelines or these files here. You can also exclude a directory also. Not to check before committing. Uh, Yeah, and let's say this file here, I need to add it in this project. So I will try to copy this. It's here, pre-commit-config.yaml, and it will be here in this directory, in the main directory here. So now if we can, let's try now to run this pre-commit run all. This command, I think it will try to check all of these files, any file in this directory. It will try to check and also to do some fix. And you can see here how to fix. It will try to fix. But usually this, I mean, I don't know if you need to do it, but let me just comment these changes here before. Maybe I didn't need these changes. Let's see. Uh, uh, Adding pre-commit. What's that? No pre-commit. Well, yeah, this is fine. Yeah, commit. Okay, nice. Git add git commit message pre-commit. So let's see if it should work. Permanently silence. Okay, then git push. What's that? Mm, what's the problem now? This is added and this will three commit and push. Config file was found. Okay, let me just fix this and I will back to you because I don't need to waste your time. Okay, I got it. So because in the beginning this file here wasn't in the, let's see, in the git itself. It was only changes. So I have, as you see here, I have done pre-install. Once I have written, let's see, add a commit, git commit, this one here, or by this, it will try to call this pre-commit hooks, and this one will try to find the pre-commit file, this pre-commit file, config file, which is not already in the repo. But let's see now. I have just add this pre-commit, uninstall, and everything was fine. Now I pushed these changes to the git. So let me just maybe add some changes. Let's see. I don't know, classification using light GBM algorithm. Now I have some changes, right? And let's say I have done add git add commit clear. Let me just clear the window. Git commit message. Uh, adding comments. And you see this because it's the YAML file, it's not included, TAML file. I mean, it's already formatted, but I will show you now one example. Git push. Now let me go to the oops classifier and let me just see this, or maybe this function. Yeah, it will try to follow only one instruction. For instance, this species will be deleted, and sometimes if it's number of characters has to be in each line. Let's say, for instance, in this line, and this one here will be in the next line. But we will see now. Yeah, we have these changes. Let's try some other these changes. Hopefully this should work. Let me clear or pre-commit install. Now I need to install the pre-commit. So okay, now I have some changes here. You see, this is I just added in one line, changes to one line, and this one is just rubbish changes. But I will see I add files. Now if I see git commit, yeah, this is the message we can see refactoring or any commit. Now see, no commit file was found. What does that mean? The pre-commit file is already here. Okay. Silence. Because this is a new PC, so I see maybe this is a good practice to install this from scratch. No, I need this. I maybe find the error. Sorry for this, but the file itself has to be named like this. I think dot. Hopefully, let's try right now. Yes, it's working. Let's try to check this stuff. Sometimes because it's only the first time, it will take a few minutes. I don't know. Yeah, you see, this might take a few minutes. Okay, let me pause and I'll be back once it's finished. And if there's any issue, I will try to show you what is the error and how to fix it. Yo, now we're back. It's already finished, and you can see here. Start. This was yeah. Took some minutes, and you see it's filled in this white space. And check the YAML file and conflicts and the formatting, and also in the black, which is file formatting. But you can see here it's ODST. Let's see, in the beginning it was this file here. You can see it. It was added to the stages, but after running this commit, it will be moved to changes, and you can see here. This is what I have done. Let me just be back. I mean from scratch. So here you see this is the original code, and this is what I have changed here. Right now, when I add, I mean run this command, git commands add and commit. it will try to check this formatting with the pre-commit and update it or fixing the issues. Now this is what I have done. I change it, and this is returned back to the let's say to the OK format. And you can see here it's adding before between the classes and the import. It's try to make two spaces, and here between this and this, and yeah, and you can see this one here. It's returned back. Let's make this more compatible and yeah. So for instance, sometimes it's replacing single quotation with double quotation and adding sometimes spaces or removing spaces. This is for the this file here. And now this was only pre-committed. Now let me see. I like this changes here. I like, for instance, this one, this changes. I can just add plus, and also this will be adding to the plus. Now, or you can add it via code. So, for instance, git add git. Let's see, I have git commit. Now it's supposed now to go okay. I mean, without changing, because we already fixed the changes in this file. Let me see. Yes, we pass. Okay. Now you need just to see git push. So now I have the already formatted one. But let's see, assume that you have, this is only formatting for the committed and stages file. But if you would like to do it for the all files in your repo, let's say assume that you developed everything last year and you now detect this or find this, figure out this will be helpful for you. You can run pre-commit run all. I think this command, okay, pre, is it run or maybe this? Okay, let me just see it in Google. What is the right one? Commit run. Okay, okay, this one maybe. Run all files. Let's see it. How many files will be detected, and all the files that will be changed automatically, it will be added here. Okay, cool. Only few files. Let me also read me. It's remove small space and maybe this classifier detected. Now, as I mentioned here, if you would like to keep some formatting for any files, you can just change it here. Exclude, and you can add the extension of your file, or you can add the file itself here to exclude it, or maybe you can add a folder. I think that's it for today, and I think it's helpful for developers. Yeah, by the way, this will be so sometimes you can't let's say force any guy to do all of these pre-commit in the PC. But what I have done is add this pre-commit in my build agent. I also had some published some videos on this, how to make your agent pipeline. I just added in the pipeline, and when he tried to push his commits or commit code, let's see, and this will be he will get this result. I mean error, and he will also get email what was the issue, and he will try to be. This one will force him to install this stuff. That's it for today, and see you next time. Bye.